Good afternoon, everyone. This is Nate G. It's been a while since I've posted a video, but the TTM type trades have been few and far between recently, and a couple of them are starting to come back, especially in oil and gas. So I just wanted to do a quick trade review here on APA. It was about perfect. So APA here you can see up on my screen. It's moving real good today. But if we go to a daily, we can see that APA is in an uptrend, just like all oil and gas is at the moment. They're reaching all-time highs, and oil and gas is just strong with the war and the economy, and gas prices so high. Oil and gas is really strong. So that's what we're playing at the moment. And on Thursday of last week, someone I traded with in the TTU room named Lisa found this trade while I was on the mic, and she found it at about right here on Thursday. So this was the setup that we had. A 30-minute squeeze was starting at that point, and it was starting to look good. It was starting to take shape. We were starting to get the bird pattern here that you can see. This is the 30-minute, and it had set in a couple of lows, and so I thought that this looked really good. We were coming into the 21, which is a good entry point generally for these kinds of trades, as you know. And I came in and set a target at 50. That's a nice psychological level. I would take a starter off the 21 as per the TTM rules, and I would add off of this lower trend line here. At the time, I even thought an ad down into 47 could be a good ad based on some of the volume profile that you see over here, which I'll cover in another video. So put this on the radar, made a trade plan, and then made an entry as it came into the 21 here. It looked like it was going to bounce off the 21. I thought that was a good place to take a starter position. I did not go in full position, right? So we're going to say, I took about right there, I took about half a position or a little less of a full position, expecting that I would add if we dropped down, but I didn't want to miss this nice move up, or at least the anticipated move up, okay? So what ended up happening was it kept dropping that day. So as we came down into this trend line level, I watched for a reversal and or a stop out if it was going to give me a stop out. 47 was my kind of ideal ad spot. And what happened during that, if I go to more of a 1-minute chart, what happened during this push through is we started to see a push through. We hit some major VP levels, and we started to see a reversal. So let me get a little bit closer so I can show that. And then let's start that reversal process. Okay, so we started to see, I don't know if that was easy to see or not. Let's move to a 5-minute. It's going to be a little bit easier. We started to see this reversal form. All right, so I added in here after a confirmation that it looked like a bounce was happening. Still, I am not at full position. I still have a little more to add, but if it goes, I'm going to make some great profits. So my second ad spot was here. The first ad spot was, or first position spot was off the 21 there. Second ad spot was there. And then, believe it or not, this turned into one of the longest swings I've had in a very long time. So let's jump back out to this 30-minute chart. I've held this now for 4 days. So we are moving through, makes a move up, makes a move back down. I did not add there. We're continuing. We look like the 30-minute fires, so I switched to a 78-minute. I believe we're still in a squeeze on a 78. Yeah, we're starting to get rounding momentum here on the 78-minute squeeze. We continue forward, and I added on this touch here of our trend line. Let's go to an hourly. It might be a little easier to see. So we kind of made a move up and then a pullback, and I added my final piece here on this trend line touch and held again for another few days. And then today we got a great move up. So my third ad, I apologize, was here. And then this morning, oil and gas is moving and we start ripping. So let's go back out to the 1 minute chart and I can show you what we did. Okay. So we've got our 3 ad spots, right? We can actually do it on a 5 minute. That's going to be a little easier. Okay. We've got our buy spot, our ad spot, and our final ad spot. And now we've run up today. So today I took profits here at our target. In fact, it was just under 50. I took profits there. And then as you can see labeled, we have all-time high. I took profits again there. Okay, so I took about half off into my original target. I took another half off at the all-time high. And where it's gone today is up towards what is our primary final target in a TTM squeeze. We are almost to our 1272 extension up here. So we've hit target 1, we've broken our all-time high, and we're coming into our 1272 extension where I'll take off my last little trailer if we get there. But I'm mostly all out of this. Great trade. I took some off. Here was about 80%. Here was about 120, and this should be in the 140 to 150% range. So that's the APA trade. I'm also in Oxy today, which I got on a pullback. So oil and gas is where it's at right now, and the TTM squeeze plays, at least for the moment, are back. So let me know if you have any questions. I will be around. Thanks so much.